Welcome to the Best Picks. The best guitar cleaning kit is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of guitar maintenance, but it's absolutely essential for keeping your instrument in top playing condition. Regular cleaning not only enhances the look of your guitar, making it shine, but also significantly improves its performance. In this video, we'll dive into the best guitar cleaning kits available, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your axe in tip-top shape. Number 5. Dunlop System 65 Guitar Maintenance Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your guitar in top condition. It includes all the essential cleaners for the body, neck, and strings, ensuring your instrument always sounds its best. Inside, you'll find 5 different cleaners designed specifically for your guitar. They will help you remove dirt and grime, keeping it looking and sounding great. The kit also includes a microfine fret polishing cloth, 2 100% cotton cloths, and detailed care instructions. These tools will help you maintain every part of your guitar. These care products shield your guitar against corrosion and extend its playing life. Using them regularly will help keep your guitar in great shape for years to come. The kit comes with clear instructions, making it easy to use. The 100% cotton polishing cloths are perfect for a final touch, leaving your guitar clean and ready to play. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for guitar maintenance. It shields your instrument from corrosion, ensuring longevity. If you're looking for a one-stop shop to keep your guitar in top condition and extend its lifespan, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to clean and maintain a guitar. The polish made the guitar shine like new. The fretboard cleaner worked great at removing grime. Number 4. Dunlop Formula 65 Guitar Fingerboard Care Kit. This kit from Dunlop provides everything you need for basic fingerboard care. It's designed to keep your guitar in top condition, ensuring optimal playability and sound. The kit includes a comprehensive cleaning solution for your guitar's fingerboard. It helps remove dirt and grime, maintaining the wood's natural beauty and feel. Inside, you'll find a 100% cotton polishing cloth. Use it to gently wipe down the fingerboard after cleaning, leaving it smooth and protected. This is a genuine Dunlop guitar care product, ensuring quality and reliability. Trust this kit to protect and maintain your instrument. The kit comes with clear care instructions, making it easy to use. It's a simple way to keep your guitar fingerboard clean and well maintained. What we like. This kit focuses specifically on fingerboard care. It includes everything you need for basic maintenance. If you are looking to keep your fingerboard clean and well maintained with a trusted brand, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. You spray on the Step 1 cleaner and clean the fretboard, yup, cloth included. After it dries you apply the Step 2 conditioner, wipe off excess and done. It worked great, and when I was all done with the setups it was nice to feel these guitars shred the way they used to. The cleaner stripped away the majority of the gunk on the first application. I did use it a second time to get the deep down dirt, but wow. Turned out that was the easiest part of this restoration product. After letting the cleaner dry completely I used the conditioner and you could tell how thirsty the wood was for some attention. Number 3. SAPHUE Guitar String Cleaner 2-Pack. This string cleaner helps maintain your instrument strings. It cleans all around the strings and frets, preserving the original tone. This helps extend the life of your strings. With its ergonomic handle, it's easy to use anywhere. It's lightweight and portable, making it convenient to carry with your guitar. No extra tools are needed for its effective cleaning. Made with durable microfiber material, this cleaner provides excellent cleaning. You won't have to worry about dust on your guitar again. The dual-sided design ensures thorough cleaning. This cleaner provides a 360-degree clean for your guitar or bass. It's more efficient and saves you time. The microfiber mat is easy to clean and designed for long-term use. This string scrubber is great for acoustic, bass, and electric guitars. It can be used on various stringed instruments, making it a versatile tool for any musician. What we like. This tool is designed for cleaning strings and fretboards. Its ergonomic handle and dual-sided microfiber make it easy to use anywhere. If you like a convenient and effective way to clean your strings and fretboard on the go, you should consider this. What people say. Works well and easy to use. Easy to use and gets all the grime off strings in 1 or 2 swipes. I like the fact that it goes underneath the strings. Number 2. FOLLOWIN Guitar Care System 7-Pack. This all-in-one kit has everything you need. It includes cleaner, polish, and wax for everyday cleaning. It makes guitar care quick and easy. This fingerboard oil cleans, conditions, and protects. It's made with fine oils and is free of waxes and other harmful substances. Use it to keep the fretboard in good shape. This cleaner removes fingerprints and dust. It has a streak-free formula and is low odor. It gives your guitar a complete cleaning. This wax provides long-lasting shine and UV protection. It fills in imperfections and restores the guitar's finish. It's great for all clear-coated instruments. This 2-in-1 pen keeps strings clean and removes rust. It also provides a protective coating against dust and moisture. It helps the strings last longer. What we like. This kit provides a complete care system for your guitar. It includes cleaner, polish, wax, and a string winder. If you want a comprehensive kit with everything you need to clean, protect, and maintain your guitar's finish, this is the one for you. What people say. This is an amazing product for beginners who have no idea where to start with cleaning their instrument. It provides well-labeled items with clear instructions on how to use them. Great kit with all I needed while away from home. Found strings in town and knew I wanted to clean and polish both my vacation guitars, and this was the perfect kit. Very nice results with very little effort, great products. Cleaner oil and wax with a sham, perfect. Number 1. Jim Dunlop 6503 Body and Fingerboard Cleaning Kit. This kit is designed to keep your instrument in top condition. It includes everything you need to clean and protect your guitar's body and fretboard. It's a must-have for any musician. The Formula 65 polish will make your guitar shine. It removes grime and restores the finish. Use it to keep your guitar looking its best. This lemon oil is specially formulated for your fretboard. It conditions the wood and prevents it from drying out. This helps maintain the playability of your instrument. The kit comes with 2 polish cloths. 1 for each product, making it easy to apply. It's a complete solution for instrument care. Each bottle contains 4 fluid ounces of product. This provides plenty of cleaning and conditioning power. It's a great value for the price. What we like. This kit offers a simple solution for body and fingerboard cleaning. It includes Formula 65 polish and Fretboard 65 Ultimate Lemon Oil. If you are looking for a kit from a well-known brand that focuses on essential cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. The lemon oil works great. And the cleaner polisher works very well too. Highly recommend product for cleaning and polishing neck and body of acoustic guitars. Works great and easy to apply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.